Denver time now for FaceTime, sponsored by Cadillac. Visit your local Cadillac dealer. Out of the sidelines, Jill Arrington with Jeff Fisher.
All right, Coach Fisher, you got to be happy with that quick start. You set the tone early. Your starting defense looked great. What did you take away from the first half?
They were better the last 2 weeks. We didn't give up scoring drives, so I was pleased with that. I wasn't pleased with that 3rd and 2 with 38 seconds left to go. They gave them points, but, overall, we're playing hard.